Sibilance, a concept you must understand as a video editor and audio editor. Now, don't laugh, but I want you to listen to this audio.
6 soup and salad specials sounds stupendous. Besides these sibilants, seashells, shimmering shirts, and expensive sweet cheese slices.
I know all you've been hearing is isn't it? Now, that sound you're hearing is what we call sibilance. And in this video, I'll teach you how to remove high S sound, high T sound, high sh sounds using the de-esser tool in Premiere Pro. It's coming up. So what is sibilance? Sibilance happens when S, sh, and ch sounds become too loud. It is common with lavalier microphones, like this one I'm using now. Seashells. It is also common with phone recordings and voice is recorded too close to the mic. Sibilance usually sits in the high frequency range. Now, let's dive into Premiere Pro and see how to remove those hash S sounds. Now, these are the audio clips I want to remove the hash S sounds. I will play it again so that you can listen to it.
6 soup and salad specials sounds stupendous. Besides these sibilants, seashells, shimmering shirts, and expensive sweet cheese slices.
You can see that the S sounds are very, very harsh. So in order to do this, make sure you highlight your audio. You can highlight more than one and assign as dialogue because this is a dialogue. Now, if you've not done loudness and basic noise cleanup, just quickly do it. So once I denoise, I usually start around 5. We've done an extensive breakdown on how to use this denoise tool. Bear in mind that the denoise tool also increases sibilance. Whenever you apply a denoise effect on your audio clip, the higher you increase that denoise effect, the more sibilance you get. That is why I didn't denoise this audio beforehand, so that you can see the effect firsthand. The hash S sounds became louder and more obvious because we just removed the noise, okay? Now, to remove the hash S sound, we apply the DeEss effect. So I toggle this on. You can always play around the values here, but don't slide it too much. If you slide this too much, it will definitely sound robotic. So you can start with a low value, let's say around 4, and always play your audio. Trust your ears more than the sliders, Make sure that you hear your audio properly so it will not sound artificial or robotic. Remember, you can always apply effects to batch audio like this, or you can do it one after the other. So if I play this particular clip here.
Seashells, shimmering shirts, and expensive sweet cheese slices.
So there's no much difference yet. So we increase this guy to like 6. Now let's compare the before and after. This is the before.
Seashells, shimmering shirts, and expensive sweet cheese slices.
And after.
Seashells, shimmering shirts, and expensive sweet cheese slices.
Now for this particular DeEss tool, I want to show you a trick. If you go to your effect control, you will see de-esser. This is the effect we just applied. Remember that whenever you apply an effect in the essential sound panel, it shows under the effect control. If I should toggle this off, it has disappeared from here. If I should toggle it on, you can see it here. Here is a pro tip. If you click edit here, you can clearly see the threshold better compared to just the slide bar here. Okay, you can see as I'm increasing the slide bar, the threshold here is not corresponding to what is here. So I always advise people to come to this effect control all the time in order to be sure that they get their desired result here. Okay, most of the time I found that -30 is usually okay for the sibilance, depending on the mic you are using. So if I set this at -30, you can see that the equivalent here is -7.6. And because I altered this value here, a yellow warning icon is showing here. It says the effect values of the clip have been changed. Please revert the changes or adjust controls to update the effect values to the corresponding essential sound template range. What that means that the effect I made here, I must also, adjust this guy. Can you see? Immediately I adjusted this guy, the warning sign went off. 7.6 is now giving me equivalent of -32.9 here. Can you see that? That said, let's play this one more time. Okay?
Seashells, shimmering shirts, and expensive sweet cheese slices.
Now, there's another trick you can apply to be sure that you are not overcutting that S sound, You are not over applying this effect. If I go to effect controls, under the de-esser, edit, here you can output sibilance only. Look at this. If I play this, remember to always turn on the de-esser here. Make sure that it is toggled on here while you are editing anything here, okay? So if I output sibilance only, listen to this. What output sibilance only does is it helps you to know if you are cutting out some part of your voice, okay? So I think I'm satisfied with the result here. What I'll do is off this guy so that you have your audio back to normal. So when does the de-ess works best? The de-ess effect works best on dialogue and voiceovers. It is ideal for podcasts, YouTube videos, interviews, and tutorials. It should not be used on music or sound effects for any reason. In the next episode, I will teach you how to remove echo and reverb from your audio, especially for those audio that was, recorded in a hall or auditorium, that is an empty and large environment. If this video helped you, improve your dialogue audio, like the video as it helps the algorithm push it to other people, and subscribe for the next episode in this essential sound series. Thanks for watching. I will see you in episode 8.